While the rendering of Pixel 9 Pro recently surfaced on OnLeaks and MySmartPrice, the next phone expected from Google is going to be the Pixel A mid-ranger. Already, the live images of Pixel A mid-ranger was leaked out in October. MySmartPrice tonight published images of the Pixel 8a retail box along with some specs of the next Pixel handset, which will be released this May. The photos were originally spotted in a private Facebook page by Vietnam Hung and We. The Pixel 8a is expected to feature a 6.1-inch AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood will be the 4nm Tensor G3, the same chipset that's powering the Pixel 8 series but in a downclocked version. The rear camera will be 12.2 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the front facing snapper will be 10.5 megapixel. It will come with 8 GB of RAM and will have up to 128 GB of native storage. It will come with 4700 mAh battery. It will have rounder corners than the Pixel 7a. It will have an optical under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock facial recognition. It will come with Android 14 pre-installed and will have 7 years of software support. The mid-range Pixel A has gone well with consumers as it offers highly regarded pixel photography capabilities and many other AI features found in the flagship at a slightly lower price. Last year, the Pixel 7a was priced at $499, which was $100 cheaper than the $599 Pixel 7 and $899 of the Pixel 7 Pro. This year, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro has increased in price by $100 each. So if the Pixel 8a can keep the same $499 price tag, this will widen the gap between the mid-ranger and non-Pro flagship model and the rounder corners. There will be no mistaken for the Pixel A for the Pixel 8.